What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to burn an ISO for your flashed Xbox, play free games, all that stuff. So first you're going to want to get an ISO. Open up the web browser. It was on my other screen, sorry. And go to your favorite game getting site. This is for educational purposes only, so I'm just going to go ahead and go to the Pirate Bay. I do not advise piracy whatsoever. Do this, don't do this, actually. Yeah, alright. Then you're just going to type in your game. For this example, I'm going to be using Mirror's Edge. So I'm going to type Mirror's Edge, Cedars, that will align them to the most popular. And then you're just going to go ahead and, on this side, you're going to look for Xbox 360 and look for your ISO. So right here it says Mirror's Edge PAL. I don't need PAL. I need NTSC. So I'd go here or something like that. But this one has 0 Cedars. So the Pirate Bay for Mirror's Edge wouldn't really work. So I'm going to show you the second method, which is Xbox360ISO.com. Sometimes this website will give you a huge load of pop-up ads and stuff like that, but I use AdBlock, so I don't really need that. I'll show you where to go from the home page. So you're just going to scroll down all the way until you see Xbox 360 DVD game downloads. You can wait for that. Then you're just going to click on any one of these. I recommend anything that says free at the beginning of it. So all the downloads that you're going to be downloading, you won't have to do any surveys or log into a registered account or something like that. But just for example purposes, I'm going to click on this one. Just wait for that to load up. Well, while this is loading, what you're going to need is, you're going to need a flash Xbox, obviously. If you don't know what that is, you probably shouldn't be watching this video. And you're going to need any brand of DVD 8.5 gigabyte dual layer discs. They have to be dual layer and they have to be 8.5. No, you cannot split the ISO up into 4.7 gigabytes and then try to play that way. It's just not going to work. So here we are. There's a huge list of games that I don't really want to search through. So quick tip for Xbox360ISO.com. Press Control F on your keyboard and this little search menu will come up, and then you just search for your game. So Mirror, and here it is, UJ, so that would be United States and Japan. So then you just go to the site, download it, blah 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 blah, and there you go. So the second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get ABGX 360. All these links are going to be down in the description below, and just find wherever you saved it. Mine is right here, so you're going to open that up, and then you're going to want to find your ISO. So mine is right here. I've already got it downloaded. It's right here, ISO file, and then you're going to drag it right there. And then here are all the settings you're going to need for ABGX 360. Options, you're going to need check video, or check/create DVD file. I already have one, but it's always good to have. Check stealth, verify stealth passes, use colors, check for any DVD style game corruption, and all these. Manually patch and fix, you don't need any of this. Auto fix, I always set it to level 3. You honestly probably don't need level 3, but I use it anyway. So rebuilding, just normal default, MISC. Your console region code, I'd check that. Whichever region code your console is. It's basically wherever you live. So look that up if you don't know what it is. And then you're just going to basically, after all these settings are good and you've selected your ISO, you're going to click launch, and this file should open. Now right here, you should see a bunch of things and stuff, and just a lot of stuff that mostly you don't need to pay attention to. But the things you do need to pay attention to are the region code right here. If the region code is in fact NTSCU, or whatever your region code is, it'll be green. And that's why you selected it right here. It'll be green, and that means you'll be able to play it on your console, if it's flashed, of course. Now, SS looks valid, DMI looks valid, basic check, alright, basic stealth check passed. That's one of the more important things. Right here, sometimes you will get DMI unverified. Now that's fine. Once it runs through this entire process, it'll you see 71% done. Once it's done with that, it'll repatch the DMI and it'll verify it for you. So after it's done, you can just relaunch it and see if the DMI CRC matches. It should. Now, ABGX 360 will do everything for you normally. If it doesn't, then, well, I don't recommend burning it, because, you know. Alright, so right here, all CRCs match, verification was successful, pressing key to exit. And the next thing you're going to want to do is just exit out ABX 360, go to image burn. Now, my image burn was on my other screen, so, here. You're going to want to go to write file to disk, and you're going to want to drag this disk image file right here. First, open it up with Notepad, and see that the layer break is 1913760. If it's not that, you change it to that, and press X, and then just drag this right there. Now, if you have verbatim disks, you're going to want to put it at 2.4 times. If you have anything else, you're going to want to put it at 4 times, because you're just going to get a mismatch error if you don't put it at 4 times. So right here, this isn't lit up because I don't have the disk in yet, which I will do right now. I'm using Memorex. Memorex works just fine no matter what anyone tells you, just because verbatim master race or whatever. Memorex works just fine. So I'm going to put it in there. You probably can't hear that, but whatever. Yeah. Let that load up, let it spin up. And wait for this to become available. Yeah. Oh, thing about verify. If you want to just make sure, you know, everything is all fine and dandy and whatnot, and everything wrote properly, then yeah, you can check verify, but you don't, I personally don't do it. Alright, so this is loaded up. Just choose your disk drive and click write. It should be, you should see all this stuff. If you get any errors, and you don't understand what they mean, just comment them. I'll try my best to reply to them, and try to give you solutions to them. And yeah, so this is good. This is going to take, I don't know, depending on whether or not you're using verbatim disks or Memorex or Kodak, whichever. It's going to take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, I'd say. So once this buffers and starts, I'm going to just go ahead and pause the recording and come back when it's done. Alright, and it is, yeah, see, as you can see, the time remaining is, yeah, it's 23 minutes right now, and it doesn't seem to be going down too much. So yeah, just wait 20 something minutes, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so it is at 100%, and right now it is finalizing disk at 99%. So So usually that takes a little while, so I'm gonna keep waiting. Oops, have Facebook open, don't need that. Alright, so I'm just gonna pause it again. I'm just letting you know that finalizing this does take a little bit. And if you check verify after it finalizes, it's going to eject. It's going, oh hey look, it's complete. Yeah, it's going to give you that little annoying jingle. Anyway, so if you check verify, it's going to eject your tray, close it back, and then it's going to read it again a bunch. So, so I'm just going to click OK. Everything's going to be cool. And now I will see you on the other side on my Xbox to show you what to do from here. Alright, so here we are in the real world. And right now I'm just using my iPhone to sort of say this. So you're just going to eject it right there. Take it out. Make sure there's no scratches or anything on it. Come over to your Xbox. Well, first I'm going to go get my controller, set that there. Alright. Now just open tray. Mine gets stuck sometimes. Just give it a second. There. There. Now I'm just going to want to put that in there. Let it read up. Now I do not pirate games. I don't advise you to pirate games. Alright, so that's just going to read up, and you see, you see, by Mirror's Edge. I'm just going to load it up for you, just to prove to you that it works. Yeah, piracy's bad, guys. Don't do it. You're probably going to get an update. Yeah, I will, 3 megabytes, that's not too bad. It's not going to take too long. You know, but if it does, you know, whatever. Just wait. It's a free game, which I don't advise you do. And you see, it's loading, and white screen, because that's just Mirror's Edge. Alright, yay. Alright, you get the idea. It works. I'm not going to sit here and do a Let's Play of Mirror's Edge. This is already probably an 11, 10, 12 minute video. So, alright. I will, if you have any questions or concerns or anything like that, feel free to comment or message me, or you know, do anything. I'll do my best to get you to a place where you can do this. Alright. I hope this helps. See you guys.